We'll guide you through how to see download history on the Google Play Store. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really interesting to see because you can go and see different apps you've gone and downloaded from there. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, come into the Play Store as we have. Now what you can do is go and press your profile icon in the top right. It's important to note you'll be doing this for the Google account currently being used on the Play Store. So you can always go and switch account later or now if you want to do it for a different one. I want to do it with this one here though. So what you can then do is go down and you need to go and find My Apps and Games. And at the top, you can go and press Manage. Then you're going to go and see the different apps you've gone and downloaded. So you can scroll through them. Currently, this is only showing the apps on the device. You can press this device and press not installed and see those apps which you've downloaded but since gone and uninstalled.